Hey guys, welcome back to brightnighttech. My name is Berto and today we're looking at the WENKIA LM7 Webcam. We'll start with an unboxing and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, tiny box here. Not going to be a whole lot to unbox, but let's take a look. Very standard box here. Has the picture of the camera on top. Alright, let's pop this guy open and we have the camera, because that's all that comes in here. Oh, what is this? I think that is the little blocker cover for the camera lens. All right, let's take this guy out. Okay, all right. So it's fairly light. It is not bulky at all. Looks very good. Big microphones on top, stereo microphones it has right there. All right, nice size, not too bulky. Has a hole right there, so if you have a mini stand, you can screw that on there and stand it up on the stand. Otherwise, it has the standard holder. That's the USB. It's not detachable, goes straight into the camera, and then the other end to your computer. But looks like a pretty solid camera. All right, let's put on the little lens cover here, so you can always just slide it over to get privacy. Okay, so there's some grooves on the top and bottom, so you're just gonna clip it on there until it snaps, and that's it. Now you can just slide it over and close it, and open it up like that. Easy peasy. All right, so let's go ahead and test out what this looks like in use.
All right, so the camera actually looks really good. This is even better than the one that I have, which is funny because the camera on my laptop doesn't work at all. It's broken. I don't know what's wrong with it. Anyway, so I bought a webcam to use it, and it wasn't great. Not great quality. This guy though is actually really impressive. Like, it's sharp. The graininess, I feel like it's normal. I have a light LED light on me right now trying to help with that, but overall I think it looks really good. So overall I would definitely say pick this guy up. It's cool that it has that little camera blocker there. I actually haven't seen that really in other webcams, although I'm sure it's like a standard thing now, but the one that I bought didn't come with it. I haven't really seen a lot with them, so I thought that was really cool. So great quality, super easy to set up, just plug and play, you're good to go. Definitely pick one up today.
All right, so you want to know where can I get this and how much is it? You can get this on Amazon for $31.99. I'll put the link in the description, and that is a great price. You're getting a webcam, it's full HD, 1080p, 2 stereo microphones with a privacy cover. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.